This week was also very important for you, given that you finalized the deal with the Department of Justice in the U.S. You settled the sale of toxic mortgages for $5.3 billion. How much of a relief is that for you?
It's very significant, very significant. Of all the legacy issues we had to deal with, I mean, you know that this is about activity conducted before 2007. So it's mostly 2007, 2006, 2005. So most of us conducting these negotiations were not in the bank even when that happened. So you're dealing with truly a legacy issue, but one that had the potential to destabilize the bank very, very significantly. And it's been on top of my mind for, it was one of the trickiest things I did during 2016. I've been asked the question 30 times, 40 times, and I never said anything. Our strategy has been, until it was done.
I know, I probably asked you 5 times.
A number of times, yes.
Yep.
And I've always said I won't say a word. And I think the strategy has worked, frankly. I think we reached a reasonable agreement with the Department of Justice. I mean, of course, it's painful for us, it's painful for our shareholders, but you've seen the numbers in our release. We said 2.555 billion. That's net cost to us. I think that's a good outcome for the bank.
Your rivals over at Deutsche Bank, they did a similar deal with the DOJ, and maybe, thankfully, they stole the headlines. You weren't necessarily in the headlines when it came to the DOJ case, but they cut their bonus pool in response to that. And I know that's not a decision that you can take. It has to be decided by the board. But do you feel pressure from your shareholders, from the stakeholders of your bank to do the same?
Look, on remuneration, I'll be very concise. I think what I've said is that I think that's my expectation. I can only speak on my own behalf. As you said, a decision is out of my hands. Yeah. It's a board decision, but I think that it's, given what I've described earlier in terms of the progress that the bank has made in delivering on its objectives, I think it should be a reasonable year, but that's my expectation as CEO. The outcome will be determined by others.
Still watching? Perfect. Click here to watch another great video from CNBC International. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.